Seaweed and Plant Project, we took a field trip to the backfield on the backside of Beals Island, and DEI came and visited us. Can someone tell me what DEI brought? Isaiah?
A touch tank.
A touch tank? What was in the touch tank, Isaiah?
Sea creatures.
Can you tell me some of the sea creatures that were in there?
Crab.
Crabs. Anderson?
Starfish.
Starfish. Alex?
Teeny fish.
Teeny fish. Did we learn anything about any of those creatures?
Yeah.
Josh?
Some crabs. These are no big girls because they have like bigger pouches, so they can carry like babies.
Awesome.
eggs.
That is true. Anderson?
How old seaweed is?
How old seaweed is. Do you remember how we tell how old seaweed is?
How much air bladder?
Yes, we count from air bladder to air bladder, right? Yep, then however many air bladders is how many years old a piece of seaweed is.
Seaweed needs sun, water, carbon dioxide. A plant needs seeds, and it goes into a seedling, and then it goes into a mature plant, and then it goes into a flower, and then a fruit. Plants need sunlight, soil, air, and water.
How did that plant?
Die.
It's not going to grow very well, is it? Because soil is very important to plants, right? Because that's where it gets all of its nutrients from and its food. So we have to be careful where we plant a garden, because if not, if farmers plant it on rocks, they're not going to get very good stuff, are they?
No.
That's okay. We can do it. I'll step in if I can. Do you spot? So, Bill. I'm so sorry. I can't miss Hallie's thing. No.
Fine. Ethan, what was our experiment?
We did one force and only water. Two force, one force had 1 part ascorbate, 3 part water,
Great.
and two force had 2 parts ascorbate, 2 part water.
And then we did 3/4.
It had 3 part ascorbate, 1 water. 4 force had all ascorbate.
That's right, we did. When we put it on our plants, which one worked the best?
2 force.
Was it the 2/4? 2/4 had some good thick stalks. Was there another one that looked really, really good?
1/4.
The 1/4 one looked really good.
Okay, can you tell us what an air bladder does, Kevin?
It makes it float so it can get more sun and so it can get more oxygen.
Good job. Now, Nathan, at the bottom of the seaweed, there's something that grips onto the rock.
Fast in the wall.
It's a hold fast. And what does the hold fast do?
Connects onto the wall.
Very good. Does someone else know another part of seaweed that they'd like to tell us about? Thomas?
There's the stipe.
Can you show us where the stipe is? Very good. And we know that the stipe on seaweed is kind of like what on a plant? Okay. Thomas.
A stem.
It's kind of like the stem.
Water.
Good. Good.
Flower.
Good. One more at the bottom.
Root.
Good job. And Austin, can you tell us what job the roots have? What do the roots do for the
They
plant?
stuck up the water.
Okay, they suck up the water. Very good. How about the leaf? Who knows what the leaf does? Callie?
It makes it on the food.
You've got it. And the stem. What does the stem do? Thomas?
Brings the food up to the plant.
Up to the flower. Very good. What are some things that both the seaweed and the flower need?
They both need sun
They both need sun. What else?
and nutrients.
They both need nutrients. Great.
And they need carbon dioxide and air.
Mm-hmm.
And they both make that sugar stuff.
Okay, what's that process called? It's a big word.
Photosynthesis.
Very good. Good job, guys.